Welcome to our hair extension color showcase. In this video, we've chosen a few representative colors to introduce the three color palettes: dark color, light mix color, and piano rooted highlight balayage hybrid blend to help you choose the color palette that's best for you. Let's start with the dark color collection. This line of hair colors is more subdued and restrained. Whether you want to cover gray hair, go for a natural effect, or want to show off a unique aura, dark color can be your choice. These three hair colors are blackish in effect, with a subdued natural look and a gradual warming of the shade from left to right, making them a classic, understated, yet warm hair color choice. The next three hair colors incorporate more browns. The leftmost resembles a chocolate tone that gives a warm feeling. The middle one is a light brown with honey blonde that is natural and stylish. And the one on the right has a cool toned elegance that is not overbearing and individual. Next up is the light mix color collection, ranging from warm champagne blonde and light blonde to dreamy platinum blonde, each of which instantly brightens the complexion for a more youthful and vibrant look, giving a bright and stylish impression. The one on the far left is a soft gold tone for a natural, relaxed style, while the second shade is brighter for those seeking an elegant, bright look. The remaining two incorporate multiple layers of gold, with the one on the right being more cool and suitable for those seeking a modern style. The three hair colors shown now can show up differently in the sunlight. They are all warm and bright blondes, and the shades shown are in order gold, platinum, and beige blonde, for those who want the ultimate blonde color. Finally, there is the piano-rooted highlight balayage hybrid blend collection, which creates intricate gradations by combining a variety of shades for hairstyles that want more depth and dimension. The first one is a blend of dark brown, gold, and light brown, with a varied and light tone. The middle one is a gradual transition from dark brown to light gold, presenting a soft transition effect, and the one on the far right is a blend of gray-brown and cool tones, which is both cool and refreshing and shows a unique charm in a low-profile way. The one on the far left is a pick-dyed hair color full of layers, very three-dimensional and vivid. The second gradually transitions from dark brown to light blonde, a very romantic color. The third is a clever blend of blonde and cool colors, which has the warmth of blonde and the mystery of cool colors. And the last one, a combination of almond tones and blonde luster, is warm and natural. From dark to bright, monochromatic to multi-layered ombre, our collection of hair extensions gives you a wide range of options for different style needs. We thank you for watching and look forward to helping you find your ideal hair color. If you enjoyed this video, please click to subscribe to our channel to follow more of Bono Hair's latest products and hair inspiration.